Seraph is specialized in the research and development, production and sales of Defoamers. Established in 2007 in Shanghai, Jinshan, Caojing Industrial Park. We have R&D team, service team, domestic sales team, and international sales team, and has established the Hangzhou Seraph Technology Company Limited, Shanghai Guanru Chemical Company Limited, Shanghai Jijun Technology Company Limited. Seraph is headquartered Baoshan District, Shanghai, and its production base is located in Lin'an District, Hangzhou, through more than 10 years of development. Our annual output of Defoamer reaches 8,000 MTS, and the quality of our Defoamer has been fully accepted and proved by the market. Some products even reached the international advanced level. In the future, we will continue to invest in the research and design and improve production technology to create more quality products and professional series. The company produced 5,000 MTS silicon Defoamer, 2,000 MTS fatty alcohol series Defoamer, and more than 1,000 MTS poultry series Defoamer, mineral oil series Defoamer, and powder Defoamer annually. We are dedicated to the achieve excellence in R&D, production and application of each product. Customized design and series are available here. You can get more cost-effective foam control solutions from us with professional services, excellent quality, reasonable price. Professional services, excellent quality, reasonable price are what we do. Control foam, please choose us.